What's up guys, Jalen with Focus Detail here. Today we have this huge scratch going across this Toyota Corolla. Now we're going to be showing a step-by-step process in this video on how to get it out. This is a priority. This is actually my girlfriend's car, so we're going to get this scratch out. I can't stand just looking at it right now. So before we get started, I'm going to show you a visual of it up and close.
First, I'm going to use a rinseless wash solution to clean the panel. This method works great since I'm not washing the entire car. Next, I'll use a clay bar to remove any contaminants from the surface. This preps the panel so we're not polishing contaminants into the paint, setting us up for the next step. Here's the clay bar after doing this panel. Then we'll use a compound and a mini polisher to get the scratches out. If you don't have a polisher, a microfiber applicator will work as well. Now I'm using a clean microfiber towel to remove any leftover compound. Next, I'll apply a spray sealant to add gloss and protection.
That wraps up today's video. The scratch came out. I'm happy. My girlfriend's going to be happy. To the next video.